Hello, my name is George Trujillo. I'd like to welcome you to MHQ West. For the next few minutes, I'd like to give you a tour of our Albuquerque facility. So I'd like to welcome you to our showroom. Some of the things we do here at MHQ are custom boxes, cars, and license plates. Also the artwork that you see on the wall, it's all done here at MHQ West. We also have a wide variety of lighting. We also have this interactive wall which allows you to go ahead and test the equipment before it even goes in the vehicle. So this is where the magic happens. Vehicles are built from the ground up. So this is our graphics area where we create, design, and apply materials to just about anything. Here we're fully stocked and ready to go.